Hello friends, today I am going to cook beans. There are different types. This is light in color and this is darker. The darker version is more tastier to eat. So now we will see how to cook it. I have washed them by soaking it in water, adding little salt, half teaspoon turmeric and vinegar so that all the germs in it goes away. For cutting these beans, you have to hold the tips together one side and then chop off this little bit. In the same way, hold the other side together. All the tips should be together and then chop it off. Holding like this, then we will chop with the knife. Today I am cooking both the lighter and darker version together. You can either cook it separately or in the same way. You have to cut it in this length. All should be in equal length, at least approx. There might be some overripe beans, no need to worry. You have to just take it and open like this and remove the seeds from within. The outer covering you have to throw it out. Remove the seeds like this and you can cook it along with the beans. I have cut the beans like this. It's around 1.5 inch. Now I will be putting it in the cooker and give it one whistle. You have to add only 2 tablespoons of water and salt according to your taste. I am adding half teaspoon salt. So you can see our beans are ready, the lobia beans. Now we will see how to temper it. For tempering, I have taken around 8 to 9 pods of garlic and half onion, which is sliced very thinly, and the garlic are crushed and sliced. I have kept a kadai. I will be pouring 3 tablespoons of oil. I am using here coconut oil. It tastes much better. We can use sunflower oil also. Now the oil is hot, so I will be putting the onions and the garlic. I am adding 1 sprig of curry leaf. Stir all this. See that the onions don't become brown. It should be light golden in color. The onions have turned little brown. Now we will be adding here 1.5 teaspoon of chili flakes. After adding the chili flakes, stir it for around 20 seconds and immediately add half teaspoon of plain chili powder. Again give a good mix. See that the flame is reduced to the lowest or the chili will get burnt. Now we will add to this 3 tablespoons of grated coconut. Fry this around for 1 minute. For details on how to grate the coconut, you can check it in my description box. I have given the link. 1 minute is done. We will add the lobia beans to it. If you don't have chili flakes, you can add chili powder to this. So you can just increase the chili powder according to your need. The chili flakes give great flavor and taste to the dish. Be careful that the beans should not get overcooked. You can see the beans don't stick to each other. It is separated. It's because of the water that we have added very little, that is 2 tablespoons. So be careful when you add the water. You can also just sprinkle the water instead of adding. I forgot to mention that I have taken 3/4 kg of the beans. So our lobia beans curry is ready. You can have it along with rice, chapati or bread. This is a South Indian dish from Kerala. You can see all the seeds and the beans together. It looks very lovely and very tasty to eat.